Valley pan. Ensure that the full width of the valley overlaps the top flange of the starter strip and extends minimum ½ inch beyond the lower edge of the starter strip. Place sealant between the lower edge of the valley and the starter strip. Trim lower edge of the valley as needed. In extreme weather conditions, it may be necessary to extend the valley past the fascia as shown. Be sure to use the touch-up kit to provide a clean, finished appearance. Center valley pan into valley. Fasten valley 24 inches on center on each side of the valley. Use corrosion-resistant ring shank, nails, or screws that penetrate the roof decking a minimum of ½ inch. Cut valley edge as desired, but note that valley must extend ½ inch beyond starter edge.
Next, bring your valley down, middle of your trough. Make sure your overhang ½ inch past your starter. Fasten that off. 24 inches on center, both sides. Cut and trim your edges to close off your openings.
For additional information, please visit www.allmet.com.